In today's video, I'm going to teach you import the file from Figma to Framer. Prototype app in Framer. Begin by opening your design in Figma and making sure the layout is tidy. It helps if your screens sit inside clearly named frames with consistent spacing and text styles. If you are using auto layout, double-check padding and alignment so what you see in Figma translates cleanly later. Select the top-level frame you plan to import. This keeps things organized and prevents pulling in unintended layers. Next, open Figma's Quick Actions by pressing Ctrl+K. In the search field, type plugins. Then look for the Figma to HTML with Framer plugin. Open and run it. When it launches, it may analyze your current selection. If you haven't already, click your main frame so the plugin knows exactly which screen to process. The goal here is to prepare a clean, compatible representation of your layout that Framer can interpret. With the correct frame selected, use the plugin's Copy to Clipboard option. This grabs a structured version of your design. Think of it as a portable snapshot of layout and hierarchy that Framer can turn into editable elements. If anything looks off, pause and adjust your Figma frame before copying again. A few seconds here will save you cleanup time later. Now switch over to your Framer project. You can open an existing project or start a new one. Then bring that clipboard content directly into Framer. Framer will convert your layout into editable stacks, which behave a lot like auto layout in Figma. You'll see familiar controls for direction, spacing, padding, and alignment, so it's easy to fine-tune the result. Take a moment to check text styles, images, and any icons to make sure everything came across as expected. Small tweaks to stack gaps or padding can instantly sharpen the import. With your layout in place, move on to prototyping. In Framer, link frames to define navigation and attach transitions to show how screens change. You can choose simple fades or more dynamic motion, and then adjust duration and easing for a polished feel. Keep your flows clear, home to detail, back to home, and so on, so anyone previewing your prototype can follow the experience naturally. And that's it. Thanks for watching.